Good day. We live in a world where prices keep on increasing. So in this lesson, our focus will be on the increase and decrease in a given ratio. Let's say you want to buy an ice cream. And this ice cream is now in South Africa and you want to spend some rands on the ice cream. And we'll make it an ice cream of 16 rand. Okay. So the previous day, you went and you have a look at the prices. The following day, for instance, this is just a scenario. The following day, you go back and now you realize, but the prices has increased. So what now? You contact the owner and he said, yeah, we had to increase the prices in the ratio 5-4. So what is the new price? Let's see how we can work this out. If they are giving you a scenario where the prices are increased in a ratio 5-4, it means that the biggest value there will be the new price. Because it's an increase. So for an increase, the bigger value will be the new price. And then the smaller value will be the old price. So determine the cost of the ice cream. Now, we can say, right, take the price, divide it by the old, and times it by the new. And let's see what we get. The price currently is 16 rand. If I divide it by the old price or the old ratio, it will be 4 times 5. And if you work this out, let's see what we get. 16 rand divided by 4 will be 4 rand times 5 will give me an answer of 20 rand. And can you see that we spoke about increase? And actually, yes, our price increased here from 16 rand to 20 rand. Let's do another example. Let's say you are in America and you want to buy an item of $150. So $150, and we are going to increase this price in the ratio 6-5. The ratio 6-5. Then, how do you handle this? Again, determine what's the old and what's the new. Because we are talking about the increase, it means that the new will be the bigger value. And the old will be the smaller value. Then we are going to apply the formula that I gave you in example 1. Take your price, divide it by the old, and times by the new. So we will have $150 divided by the old, it's 5, times by the 6. So $150 divided by 5 will be $30 times 6. I'll have an answer of $180. Do you understand that? Now let's say we are going to decrease some values. Have a look at maybe 152, example 3. We are going to decrease 152 in the ratio 3-4. Now again, boys and girls, the formula kind of stays the same. The only catch might be that you need to determine which one is the old and which one is the new. We are talking about decrease. Because we are talking about decrease, it means that the new value should be smaller than the old value. So the new value will be that 3. And the old will be the 4. So I'm going to say 152 divided by the old, that's 4, times by the new. So 152 divided by 4 will give me 38. And that times 3 will give me an answer of 114. And now I have decreased 152, whether it's rand, whether it's dollar, it doesn't matter. And it became 114. Let's do a last example. Decrease 24 minutes in ratio 7 to 8. Now you need to decrease 24 minutes in a ratio 7 to 8. So, what's the new? What's the old? Because we are talking about decrease, it means that the smaller number should now be the new value. So that will be my new value. That's my old value. So take your value, your beginning one, that is 24 minutes, divide by the old, and times by the new. So it's 3 minutes times 7 will give me an answer of 21 minutes. I do hope that you understand how to increase and decrease certain values or quantities by or in a given ratio. Until next time, goodbye.